Hi tasters, thanks for being here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take an ordinary pea and asparagus risotto to the next level at home, using only one pot with few easy steps. You can make any risotto you like at home, but if you follow these steps it will make the difference from an ordinary risotto to the tasty one. My pot today will be the Thermomix jug, as I can cook, steam and blend everything in it. You can cook with anything else you have at home. Just make sure you apply all these steps I'm going to share with you. If you want to find more about the Thermomix, in the description below. My very first step will be to make my own stock. I only use few shallots, white onions, garlic and 1 cube of vegetable stock. I add everything in a Thermomix jug and bring it up to the boil for about 30 minutes to extract the flavor. While my stock is making, I'm using the steam to cook some vegetables for garnishing the dish afterwards and for texture as well. My selection of greens for me will be asparagus and some purple broccoli. After 2 minutes of steaming, go straight in ice water to cooling down. Make sure they are nice and firm for a good and crunchy texture. In the meantime, the stock is ready, so put it through the sieve and save all the vegetables for the next step. Make your own puree is the second step I will advise you to do if you want a better flavor. What I've done here, I add some peas and fresh mint, some spinach, salt, sugar and some stock. Blend it all together. No heat needed to get a nice color. To bring up the flavor to the rice, make sure you toast it in any fat before you add any liquid. At this step, I'm prepping my selection of greens into small pieces to put it through the rice and to garnish the dish afterwards. Here I've got tender stem broccoli, asparagus, peas and boiled beans and some fresh mint. The reason for that being is to get a much clearer flavor to my rice. After 7 minutes of cooking, at this stage I'm adding some cooking white wine, more stock and the puree, pea and mint puree for flavor. Once I finish the risotto, I'm going to add some greens through it for a better texture, and then I'm adding more puree, parmesan, butter, and I'm ready to serve. Give a little taste for seasoning. If you find value out of this video, Feel free to subscribe to become part of our community. This is how I decide to finish off my risotto with more greens and some extra ghost cheese for a creamier flavor. Let me know how would you do yours in a comment below.